Angeles Unicom, November 459 Charlie Papa, going around.
Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back to Infinite Flight Great Gameplay. My name is Andy, and today we are flying the Airbus A330-200F. It is a cargo plane. You can see there are two windows on this side. No, actually three. It is still a cargo plane because there are hardly any windows. Plus, this plane is only made for cargo. This is not made for, this is not made for commercial airliners. This is only made for cargo. I went to an air show a couple years ago. Just a minute, guys. I'm going to answer the phone quick. Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. Hello? Am I home? I'm sitting here reading my book. Well, I'm reading my book. Why?
Los Angeles Unicom, November 459
I'm so
Charlie
sorry,
Papa,
guys.
clear of all runways.
I wanted for dinner today. So, I'm sorry, guys, for the wait. But, on calls, I got an answer. Now we're going to continue our taxi. So anyway, this is a cargo plane only made for cargo, and I went to the air show. Like I said, I was going to this air show, and I actually got to get into one of these A330s. You know, of course, it wasn't ETIHAD, but it was a UPS that in Rockford we went to because I live in Byron, Illinois, so it was just only like 20 miles away Rockford is in Illinois here, so I actually got to sit in the cockpit of this A330. I mean, it was a great experience that I had, and I was actually pretty excited to actually sit in a A330 cockpit.
Los Angeles Unicom, ETIHAD Cargo 107, flight of 9 is taking off runway 24 left departing east.
But yeah, that was, I got to meet the pilots. I got to go into the cargo bay of the airplane, and boy, it was just a cool experience. For some reason, this plane takes a while to take off. Today, she took off pretty smooth. Let me give her that credit. Sometimes she doesn't like to take off. I like the paint job on this. It's not too bad. Right, let's put autopilot on and let's do our review on this. So you can see this is the outside. The tail, bottom, left wing. This is similar to the A330-200 plane, but it's just a little bit, the engine's a little bit different, they're a little bit shorter. Alright, let's show you the cockpit. We are playing Infinite Flight Live, so here is the cockpit. It is detailed. Joystick and the Pepsi can down there. And all your instruments. Top. And the windows. So this is the cockpit. And this is the outside. And you can see the water is different. I think I already told you this, but the water is a little bit different. I upgraded it to make it look realistic. See the sun there shining on the water. It's pretty cool, right? So I'm gonna end this video here, and this is the Airbus A330-200F. This is only made for cargo. This is ETIHAD Cargo Airways. Alrighty guys, catch you guys later. Peace.